In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo a reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or a business owner handling your own books, understanding how to reverse a reconciliation can be a vital skill. Reconciling your accounts ensures that your QuickBooks account matches your bank statements, but sometimes mistakes happen and corrections are necessary. Let's dive into the process, step by step, for undoing a reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. First off, if you haven't already, you'll need to go to the QuickBooks website. If you're new to QuickBooks, you'll want to sign up and create an account. For those who already have an account, go ahead and sign in by clicking the Sign In QuickBooks Online link. After entering your credentials, ensure you select the Continue button. Once you're authenticated, it's time to enter your password. After providing the necessary details, click Continue again. Now you'll need to choose the appropriate company file you're working with, which is crucial to ensure you're accessing the correct financial data. After accessing the QuickBooks dashboard, you should navigate to the Accounting section. This is often an area that gives a clear overview of your financial activities and is where you'll find the reconciliation tools. Here, locate Reconcile, which will bring you to the detailed section on reconciliations. Next, click on History by Account. This feature allows you to view all past reconciliations for your selected account. It's a fantastic way to examine what's been reconciled previously and identify any reconciliations that need correction. From this list, pick the specific reconciliation you intend to undo. Click on View Report, which will open up the detailed reconciliation report. This report displays all transactions that were marked as cleared during the reconciliation process. Make sure everything here matches the reconciliation you'd like to reverse before proceeding. In the top right corner of this report, you'll spot the Undo button. Clicking Undo begins the reversal process. QuickBooks will prompt you with a warning indicating the implications of undoing this action. Finally, confirm your decision by clicking either Yes or Undo on the warning message. This affirmation is essential because it ensures you're ready to revert the reconciliation. And there you have it. You've just successfully undone a reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. This function is particularly useful in maintaining the accuracy of your financial records. Reversing a reconciliation should be handled carefully as it affects your financial statements. Always double-check the details before confirming your action. With this newfound knowledge, you'll be prepared to make any necessary corrections with ease. Thanks for watching, and keep those books balanced.